We should make a giant smoothie, honey. Just mix it all up. Oh, she a little sticky. Wow, that's pretty. Ooh. Love, love, love. There's something in it. Oh, what is that scent? What is it? What is it? I need it. Homemade pumpkin bread. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's a Halloween slime. This is such a beautiful color. What the heck? Oh my god. There you go. There it is. This is so good. Piggy corn. Okay, what the heck? Y'all need to show me how to make cloud slime. Oh wow, this is so thick. It's just like sinking to the bottom because it's so thick. Okay, I have not felt a single bad cloud slime in this batch. Like, what the heck? This is about to overflow. This container, I cannot even lift it. But it looks so pretty. Look at this corner, it's so pretty. This is like literally a unicorn in this corner. So this is how the slime came out.